Good morning, beautiful viewers, wherever you might be watching us from. This is Fine TV Gambia, your only viewpoint. Today we are at the Gambia Independent Electoral Commission, which is the IEC, situated at Bakau, to witness the protest of the United Democratic Party Youth Wing with regards to the issuance of our national identity card station as we continue with the rest of the program. Mbadi mo assalamu alaikum rek ngal bi konton. Fine TV la nun telebongo mi alon ko ajarta ka jube bidung ambale bakawle independent electoral commission megada ICT kana drong United Democratic Party ila youth wing ya proteso meng organize member dending kate na ID card mi alon ko wala ka di luntan wala mel alon ko may gambe dingolti so bidung ambale wolto jam assalamu alaikum bokay rek Fine TV la won télé bi nga xamantene mo jëra sétat tay nak ñu ngi leen di nekkal fi nga xamantene mo nekk Bakau Independent Electoral Commissions mu nekk IEC di ñëw rek di teewi protest bi nga xamantene United Democratic Party sen youth wing bi moko organize station
ni honorable bija mun keta di parliamentarian for Latrikunda Sabiji be ko na honorable
mbalam be jola ni la moy lalbe
ngaji fana mbura nan suwo ko inada fo jang kana ni demonstration no aten lamire mine akuma yandi pour fana e join mo ka kayen demonstration aten
me akuma ni pour ma join ni demonstration do wala mu ndam dala gambia dia asabadita so fem fe ya lonko gambia dia mo ka fitla ka gambia dia emphasize ninta sute sokono o manya na sile soko especially gambia dia to an extent on the national ID card wala ka issue outside this country and luwate je minister ya fang sembentu ya luamena luwate je masakunda ya fang sembentu ya luamena pour ka to issue our ID cards outside the jurisdiction of this country. There is no law. If at all it is something legal, do understand, I can understand. If at all they are rely on any provision, any constitutional provision or any other laws of this country, then I can appreciate it and I can see they are just improving the implementation of that law. But there is no law that mandated them to go and issue our ID cards outside the jurisdiction of this country. And what is in fact more ironical about it, there are thousands of citizens residing in this country. You cannot issue ID card to those people because you complain of resource constraint. So let's now assume, let's quantify how much resource is invested into this particular process. Number one, the equipment. Number two, the air tickets for all the immigration officers, their per diems, etc., etc. So in fact, this is more costly. Going outside the jurisdiction of this country to issue our national identity card, in my opinion, and it's my frank opinion, is more expensive than sitting at the immigration headquarters and issue the ID card to Gambians who did not have it still now. So it's very ironical and it defeats every purpose, it defeats every sense. So furthermore, by extension, it is an insult to our national, our collective intelligence as people, as Gambian people. It's very unfortunate.
now looking at the timing, why do you think they are issuing ID card at this point in time?
I will not know their reasons or their motives, and I don't want to speculate on their reasons and motives. One thing I know, every Gambian should have a national identity card. But what is so disturbing about this whole process is to go outside the jurisdiction of this country and issue it. So to answer your question, what is their motives, what is their reasons, I don't know, and I don't want to speculate on that.
Saying honorable, ngajele presidential advisor kahumi sekumbalo awuta kumakamalfo mini yaloko, it doesn't go down well with a lot of Gambians. What is your opinion on that?
My opinion on that will be is very disappointing, and I recorded a video some time ago. Presidential advisors are great public figures. Presidential advisors should serve as inspiration to the people of this country. Presidential advisors, in my opinion, should only add value to the daily management and administration of the office of the president. Presidential advisors should only add some positives on how the president thinks. that they help the president, they refine the president, they retune the president's daily thinking about the administration of his office. So for presidential advisors to go out and make stupid, foolish, reckless statements, divisive, tribal rhetoric is just unfortunate, and that's why the president of the republic should help himself. And I recorded 2 videos directed to him. Your presidential advisors like Momodou Sabally and Shehu Mbalo, they are not inspiring citizens. They are dividing citizens. They are making citizens to galvanize themselves against you. So for you to have a very protective legacy, it's better you depart with these 2 presidential advisors, because they are not doing any good. First, it was Momodou Sabally who went out there, I think it was at a political gathering, and threatened the security officers of this country. Few months to go, another presidential advisor went on a national TV or whatever TV or radio station and make more divisive tribal rhetoric. So I will advise President Barrow to sack these 2 people, because these 2 presidential advisors that are close to him are security threats of this country. And anything the president advisors do, those outside, people with this opinion, probably he or she is advocating it on behalf of the president. Probably this is the same way the president thinks, or this is probably what the president believes in. So it's high time President Barrow, for him to protect his legacy and for him to avoid national chaos in this country, to sack Momodou Sabally and Shehu Mbalo for his own safety.
Pasai mo buka mo abediam la wala. Eti amira ila miral dato. Minatina sai buka Sabally mo diamo.
It is my opinion that the national televisions and national radio stations should stop asking people's opinion about Momodou Sabally. You see, the more you ask our opinions and the more we get opinionated about him, the more he gets more bluff. Do you understand? He's very irrelevant. To me, he's nobody. To me, he's inconsistent. For me, he will keep flaming all the time. This is how, he has track record of that. Inconsistency. A human being that will say it is white today, you gather audience. For me to put Momodou Sabally in a brief perspective, he will gather political audience today, Saturday, and tell them a particular thing is white. And the next day, Sunday, he will gather the same political audience and tell them, no, I said this was white yesterday, but today it is black. And the same audience, and he want to insist on the same audience that what he said yesterday is not true, what he's saying today is true. So for Momodou Sabally, he's very irrelevant. He just displays himself to an extreme bad side of history. And posterity, this is 21st century. Everything is in record. Your audios, your videos. And one thing I pity him is his kids are growing. His kids are growing. His kids will soon start using internet. If they start using internet and see all of this inconsistency, character about somebody they call their father, mentally, morally, you are not helping your kids to grow decently. So that is why, when I look at these innocent kids, I feel very, very sad for these innocent kids, what they will grow to see as their real father. When they grow, when they start using internet, when they start using Facebook, when they start using YouTube, when they start using all these other social media handles, and they'll be very disappointed in their father. And I'm sure they will not forgive him for all these inconsistencies that he created for himself, and by way of implication affects his family as well.
Honorable Ngaya Diamo Lometa, Danim Debula la final message.
Final advice is wrong. You manque UDP affair. You see, we are getting something wrong in this country. When UDP organized protest, and it's a genuine cause, we didn't organize this protest for us to tell Gambians come and vote for UDP, but we organized this protest for us to protest issuing of our national ID card outside the jurisdiction of this country. So if you ask me, that affected every citizen of this country. I'm not very happy right now. I'm a little bit disappointed about the turnout. The turnout is extremely low. And if Gambians are sitting in their home and seeing this as a UDP affair, then it's very, very unfortunate. So if you are on live right now, I'm speaking to you Gambians sitting in your workshop, you Gambians sitting in the market, you Gambians sitting in your house, you Gambian in the ferry, you Gambian in the car, you Gambian doing your private business. Come to this IEC avenue today and protest against the issue of our national ID card. It doesn't affect UDP too. It affects you in your car. It affects you in your market. It affects you in your house. It affects you in your restaurant. It affects you in the ferry. It affects you wherever you are. So come here right now for us to gather a massive crowd to show Barrow government, to show the Minister of Interior that what you are doing, you have totally violated every law, every progressive laws of this country. Therefore, we are demanding you to stop it immediately. That's number one. Number two, if they fail to do so, Gambians have a very winnable case. I made this social media commentary on several times. The most prominent winnable case against any political party in this country or against any citizen of this country is to go to the courts. And seek for interim injunction against the minister and the government of the Gambia to stop issuing our national identity outside. I am telling you, it's so clear. There's no legal ambiguity to it. Go to the court, and the laws are very clear. They have violated every law of this country. Therefore, we're going to the court. I'm sure we are going to get a quick remedy, and they will immediately stop issuing our visa outside the country until they further, or until by extension they violated the orders of the court. Because the courts, I am sure, will certainly tell them to stop the process. But this government is known for breaking the laws. They may go further and violate our laws. But if the president violates the laws, there are also remedies to that. You can impeach him. You can. There is a clear ground for impeachment if the court gives order, a constitutional order, and the president refuses to adhere to the court order. That is a clear ground, a very strong ground for impeachment. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Wala mo yung sabi nabe UDP because nda mo youth mo be UDP as a youth, you are part of the youth wing. Nda bota bakawle na bakaw youth wing na trésor mun tete na to si jene kan bala mbaya tandi membe tering men kuma to ko na ID card be men di kamula outside gambe dingol bi jane isita immigration kila ID card apply ipitala for 3 months up and down it ID card sotonola. So how comes ID card man tolsi ikana masiko boni ka sama outside ni alon ko kabinta wuluta nene ma nyoje ya understand igo okay ka so akam ko dal ko ni dala amon fair ha akoni man fair enten yo ko yalla amandi yanye so next week mi nekana taraje election sunya because ikada mola ID card di foreigner soul la Gambia no yana ID card ni yalo ko outside foreigner soul ika alliance la ni ngale yela alliance do ila pamitol ni barka mol bor yang kata sate doto kata ka ID card di ntade kabi yente ntiko ko ni maydi ba nene maje. This is the first time mba moyka so fete amira alla bi tinto ka protesti obe ku jara la jele ba ko ba tinala la ba ma ka ndaya bula ka ID card ka abe ku jara jere mfingira na petition o safe pour yel reply abe ku jara jere because say mol bota fiya to la anin diboto le Gambia no youth so mbele pareta adinin ke ba mbele pareta because this is getting out of hand side nima wuli na lon tan tesiti abe ko yala mbe bulo kono ha
sa te mu yamal so ibe mundila funding ke wala especially musol
ndabe yamaro mendila musola anin funding keli ma fle ko ye finti na 2026 mo be ye finti ye tesiti fay bamba na kate fay na finti na baro bondi ye kate fay UDP na baro bondi ndabo yamaro sotola badila Gambia funding keli
mbadi wansa interview ni ave continuer kanne ni UDP la mo kuma yare mbale biya mingeta honorable Karim Touré Karim bafle bismillah
Fine TV mbaram dal ko dona baake ko dana bi baake pour alliance so jang ko dana bi frangal so jang alliance so frangal so ko dana baake wala bi alhamdulillah
Karim moy famare jela media to isa hono moy mune keta
Orang punya di, mau jemaah kan kemana wala, ekor bukan nanti am kan moy WhatsApp formal kono, bukan dia am kan moy TikTok poni, Facebook poni, kaino, anda lo anda in platform kan tarik. Kami link kate ko banda, baru dia kono mo de Julai la kono. Yo, bukan Gambia bagi. Yo wadu di ni man ba ko kan, dia mo ka di la balaka pale bu ni kam ko polisi da ko be ya kisi ya alon ko ta ga nyadi to kam na dia mo kasi alhamdulillah yaje mo dawda an ke ba sida soko dindu be ko gol dindu do ko yo bi yudi bi alhamdulillah fonni ke lo bi yamni alon ko loro dawda kam même fo mo ke nde la mo nun yamen defal bi ko la moy ko kunu mo do kam la mo nyam so la na dia mo ko la baki ko mo yalon ko na fonni ke lo filo ko
ngaje bi findita etaka moy ko mini yalan ko ina ganin protesto aten isa fono mole mina na kumata fana findina pour kana ni protesto aten
ni kumata folo youtube la kumandi ko youtube fana ta kumandi lola e man do fana ko foje bare momo ko do youtube e kalon ko karim yele bodo je constitution do bije bi tamakala bi karim yele akila kol buje ka tamli do fije eji ni do loro fu sta kije pour ka je ko fonni jol system mo to youtube ko nyame to ni fonni jol la ni mi raw mi na da ko ngese men jol ni ko nyame pour dal officer ko do nyanda nyadla na findi na bule nyaado kolula min yalo ko banko nyaado da kollu membe den ni ko e mem fo bi woram ni ko ni id card ko kuma baladi na findo ko bi ay de gar ko nyim fanan nsi fen fono so me yanan ko fo la taman ko nyaaya jël ko do ngambe jël media mala wala ani na mirol me ma sekunda ko mandi wala mu ndiko kunu ndal ni wo ma sekunda be mu opposition wante no be struggle kan nu kanyim banko boni nu ni maral nya jawabulu ani ni sita jawo me yanan ko nin carte fo sumanda drone man sekunda kata pour ka je ko ke fa munafa wo adol ko no ID card na registration bar nu fa min warta no mo gabale vodas card registration ni mantani silol bar say ID card be daf ko so wo ki faro warta baake banku di bulu akije faro warta baake banku di bulu adan be ndo ko men na be momo hanata be MPP de ni atra yendo ko la samalo ni ndre findina yela gambe di kan ka banko protect ka banko di protect le banque du protect la munela amake drone la bul ko wala ni ko daga police station do no kay dol men yalla ko banque du na ba yaay kam ko yaadi yalla ko banque du la bul bank ko dum bank kay do nyimbe wafi kan bank wala fabe ke modo la political interest kam bank ite do lon na ni le MPD foni lumi an ko ma se kunda boda je ite fo bi de sa do alkali yalla ino lu nam na ñu solo alkali yalla bi da police ni koy ko ni musa de wala ite fo bi na ko amanti de wodu adra ko le fo le kay do stobu e silo memman be de aliadi wala sedum ñing kane fa tam la wutal nga tamantama ki yang banko person ko minga momo sama code ablore ko mena ko an yiku ya warta abala fa wad sa ni se ko mbalo diam dañina won kam de diam adam mbalo fula ako nga momo sama code jang ko manga gambe din ablore ko ay masalu fofu je ko do fo ben to la jawul be ameka banko kan kaydo be bu bari akamundo ko momen ne man findi president nya akamundo ne man findi banko banda ranu angal dira man kaydo so jam mu fay danja ni banko mana angal dira man kaydo be han resen family madia so banko di atama la ka ko fu mu banko ka muri tanga dahiro dina ngai sina dina ko banko di tanga yenna banko na ko fu tanga ni revasion code banko la luwala me ango di president sini wo luwala ka kande modi wulta ka ko folo malla min la banko di yala kayta ko ni ne ke do so me yalan ko ibe dame bros dawda konyo koni o konyo dim wala ka sije wala la juma wulu beje do ma wulu juma na selango juma na selango salanga ja wulli salanga ye emi do so le mol ye mol mu beje min yalan ko resal family be bulo ko resal family be bulo ko adi young people adi voter card register salanga bari police non to frodo yo police do ko ya isa ko hadima tinya bari ya bundi jere frek ya sabana any illegal source to be president sala liyo media mo do because mo na sai all foreigners ambassadeur kuna ngajere ko idi amuta gabo ko ke fana senani fanni jero ko men ko ka kaydo di mo men manke gambe do na jenna ambassadeur kuna men fi de ko ke fana senani bari ndama ko so fi le ka ko e ke fanzani men amante ko nyati kar muna na ngafo manna sala sai na gambel amasal kuna da kilma yendara ji kabinga ikibaro moje mbarnan 42 kilometers sorry 42 kilometers mbarna wolo kana kamarota kana ne kondo blare ka dame go sabema mbarna wolo kana na fukkenema ko kana ka futana ambassador ma because mbarna fu fitaw ko dina la jam mole kibaro fonye mbode ko ngara sabema mo sabema ko mallati o kudoro nara nge kondo sulo ni ke dala baki ye men fonye mo no to la ajennati ani somanda mi to ke kan agenda iman kiliya kadu kabin fano ke dan ina fo amma soro ni ko de sama mi to den dara jambi dala dina kona ke bar kabin mi to ke na mol min je to min fo wali wala mo ko ali fero ke ali alam dimbal be kaf ñoma mais bo sol bonde nan gambia le ina nan sere len jaay yal tajang yal samba gambia ale registre kam nal pede ko bo so al bonda gambia ko ke yal sama na sere le nin kate ko france ko mbal be bo so bonde nan gambia ay da sere le al tan sere le al sama na gambia ale kato fayja nal pede ko bo so al murul al nala dimbal be bari ma fay ko dimbal mi ngango gambia non lamu ida ke mu gambe lodi ila muso ya furo sere wala ka do faro wajja nyaade bari kala ga mo ba tayla dimbal be adu ko no moli yini kala ko ko le ko ko so bala dimbal ali be ka ambassade kunda yo ke sere sai ambassade kunda do be gabon non ka mo le ko idol be tinu ni to nyaala fini de gandol media fo yamen dol man kende idol politique wala idol circulation so ngi ni ke president adina fasaga wala ni yo place di ene mo ne fono mo le media e ka mo fini ko min diamu de ko 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 da ka asana mo to le ko rek mo mi yango to nyaala to nyaala so me ma sa kuna ko man ID card gambe no bija imam ID card so ndala fu muso hani biya ba borom kan bundu ama ID card so na borom borom da jele fa fa badat ID card man so ni fra ni jel lolu ko fo mo banda gambe no ma ID card so ni be ID card sida banko banda fine na da banko banda fine bara la ni ko nya ka anti parce que si fo kate fo kana si do wadi kilo ngali kibaro moy albe sina dunya dula be ni mol diam da kadlo gambe di wolle ma ko gambe dul me ko moje wadi way wol me ko moje dul no dam so ni mo la ko moje sina fona la midati ka amatoro gabon kala kuma ka jari ko mesijo kiaye ayla video ni ndaga me faye ko la tonyati je ibe mo la registre kan ni ko gambe di wudal sonda ko mo la mo me yalan ko la amatoro min be Sierra Leone wayndar la me damen kanaje kamidon kuma ndije ka fo mole ko alla dimbal mo be memorol kila Gambia jam bosol kila jam sanza boda on tam karki boda Sierra Leone me bosol kila ka Gambia kala Sierra Leone kal kana Sierra Leone kal sama Gambia jam alla dimbal mo be wala dimbal do yo ni Sierra Leone ko de man Gambia adi ya ko ni man dimbal ko alla dimbal fempe ale ta so to ya di me ko na ko lo
eti amira for the past years mina ne man ID card o di mo la fo sani
ya ni diglate ko Gambia de kanyel ni sa diglate always na ma sa tiya kan akay nek sanza ngajele bi diglate la se ko mbalo ta ay lungal ka fu nyoma ka fo ko kala silam to ya nga individu kan ye tendu ye jay men ya ko to nya ye pati ni kanu nyaonya bari wulta ye to nya fa sa ko mbalo mba fu kan men ka wala diglate la to individu pati ni kana na fo bari lungal ka fu nyoma nga fo al kana silam para mo nyim fam ko ni kay do di wolunta la fana nyim banko kan jay gambe jang sini wo fana men wulula ala be mali lu ndar ci kay do so jang e ko as diwul isi keno passeport like maliando jine ko nagelo jine bisa o la fonti ina gambe passeport sino le laare ibo sino le normal ba ide mo la famille bi jine ko nagelo le bi yemo la faje ito mo wala mali ito mo musa trawale de for example mali nim banko bo nyine gadina la yete kado di wala ja ko ikaye to akoy mohammed say mboje la nyaadi ita man criminel ma koy banko kam kalo sino ko politiko yi jigla te ka ko di lon tala amam na fatala kul ma gi tole de ko ko ka ngaje no ma se kuna ko ndela bu nya ko na ani ko mo kon sim fanya min iba kan ni immigration ya lon mul be gambe je ma education def ko mul ko na muso hani bi ada bodo bodo bundu amang id kala ma so anim for blinkate fo bodan nim sim fanya de meran ko isi tamalo ay transparency banku dum be ayke bari yeba fu kate fo kana iji ko tira Gambia because fo da man tout ce man ko banku kan say mbar da ngata diaspora nim fana number of people soto ngana fo yes diaspora kate fo de na nga sama de ko dum wax
Antomo Dudu Kasa Jata
isa mo le impreso alon ko mo minelti
ñun lon kawmu pour Gambia bo Gambia be tungo min kono animbe dogo min kono animbe to min kono animbe tafuru min kono na bo kono ko be slavery le kono Gambia fonse lo fonin kel Gambia dungol musuka fuke dinin keba Gambia Cairo wolon Gambia be mo be Cairo nin lu tangol be mar Gambia Cairo tan wo man ke moy Cairo Gambia ntol ni atina fon bel nim protest o kel na jere ko president advice min kete sekumbalo wo din man proper government man sakunda kendo soto wo manyana kala hani cat a cleaner ya tado ko banko mi alon ko Gambia mol ka ñu place pour mari mo sifal e ka woke president advice ko nim man sakunda kendo soto wo manyana kala hari mesende pi kaminki amanya na kala ko seku mbala ay mol kumandi min manke Gambia tumul ay kumandi min futankol ka ko nde mu fulol nde seku mbala president o mu fulol president o mu fulol be mu fulol president o ba mu fulol Asandalo mu fulol place wolom Chief Justice Anthony General mu fulol akoy ko agriculture minister mu fulol akoy fulol alkamu sila alkana sila al lo kawme jak al kuke kalal problema lu tongol al finti wala tinna
wala odi amete o nyaadile
wo mu fitna quality anu tribal sentiment anin wo mu quality because Burundi wol ni Rwanda wol kete atebe sikuol tribal line another calling atani wala ko ibe registration o keka another calling ke be ID card ni kan Gabon Gambia dinde be Gabon Gambia dinde Gabon Mauritanie Gambia mo mi jaman sia wol ni wol le kataje karamon wol fo man ni sulal buka penku taje ID card passport wala important in sudi wol passport ID card kada Guinea Bissau mu ID card Guinea Bissau Gambia ID card man ni kada fo yika kolone do fak they don't even Guinea Conakry the same thing
Etiambe mun dayla yakne ko ID card di mo laos
ID card only pour registration pour say underneath wala tine jokoli ta jokoli man fit kake Gambia IC chairman on yaje ata Gambia dun fol le sonta wala Gambia dun tol manyana sonna baroka IC chairman otom biko na wal tara ya Gambia bari tol le fon nyata ba po mi la kan Gambia dun de nyata bon we should fight for it say ni kelo mba kelale kaje ko ntolle tam bele de Gambia ko Gambia dingol le tam Gambia nin nun tangol dun tanata ye ko mo fen soto nyang wo muy hardel bar Gambia ding ko Gambia dingol le tat ko de pousse de sila la kula wala na wulu na ba ko kan na kan lun tawon na wulu na ba ko kan na kan tumaranke wote kala ja tumaranke they are honor guests ntol we are citizen ni mankili banku dum ani lu ton mankili ntole babdu kel ko babdu jadi be kay ko sore kata du kade process den ibu ko da ye kay ko soto je jaba mba angal kale ni but memba ibu kay ko soto ko kanare la titul pep tabia tol fadata nyaton ko tombong pour ye nyim banko ye mol tanka e Gambia dingol tanka e Gambia dingol mara tilwoni toñal e kamara tilimbal yalla e kamara taginte yalla e kamara kukuru yalla ani be nana fulo be sunu tolte o tala ni aje ntebe nte sio nde sanji taworo bari ni aje ntebe wakil na jël ko ntebu banku dingol banku di kando anu be ame consent citizen and I have to talk Gambia ko mun nak wol ni mbukata Senegal e kuto mbukata dina bisaw e ko Gambia no im fara be wala nya anu dolbe niol lala nyimbankoy hani Gambia mboni sadat yem fa nyimbankoy wallahi mbetala par Gambia kaje ko nyimbanko to lafta minno ala bo kala baw ala fwa lon ko molni tonya Gambia di wol batata baro mol ya tombon na juko sodat bari njaabolo ko baron te ben ate kala fen keran baw am ko Gambia di wol fa sa kula am ko lo Gambia di wol e ful hani Gambia di wol mi fa ba ko dol ko baro ko ka diam ya Gambia di wol fa jang ay kuje baro ka Gambia na fulo suna ana man sakunda ya Gambia man sakunda ko suna ya ke kat godoro ibe bumbaila ola tina mo kalantam ko seku mbalo manyana kala fenti nyimba ko hani ka cleaner ko amanyana kala ko alo tabu amakam tabu amanka fenti ul dol seku ma jang katiam
lanu
ko baro famu jon ako baro mu jon ay ko baro dembe sidi njaay wol be lo te jan ako baro te kala jan baro yata ni lo te jan fente speaker of the house Fabakary Tombong wa state of emergency kay baro le keku wala tina baro mu fisu wala bale mo kurumba mo jawba Gambia jawol fa mu baro nim Gambia do le quartier di barora al nim bebe kiti la lakra because baro mom jar fenna mon min yo ko kay ye kalo kay ya ke si ya be milto ay wol bele dam nimbe o kolo akani na fo ni ne ka kolo lobia babu do Karim Touré akani na to barbi ay ni ani ni matal kukin because ni mato nyar noma Gambia di ya kun se loye na kaloke fondin kel anin to be bele be kafula nyoma na kaloke kaje ko nyimba ko ay bo anun tol be parele ngola in anyhow ntol je sila yawulu ya bako ka yeke tumaranke o kar dunia be tamo na gole
iko minuli yalan ko ye ID card dila ada mécanisme na use la pour wol kana carte fay banko
akorda lo ale lu tawol de imake banku duot ye Gambia ka joso al ka fo joy ko tar du ya solo nin Gambia du alma wata do ba alma barka lu tawol ye da do Gambia carte fay ko a Senegal lom adina Bissau lom adina Conakry lom bas especially dina Conakry bawo akatal ba manifesto c'est kumbalo mo kumande ka fo futan kole ko alkana sila futan kole ni Gambia mara vice president mu fuloti ntese kumbalo mu fuloti Assane Diallo mu fuloti King Justice mu fuloti Dawda Diallo ani mo kono bo ba ngol moy mu na signify wala ma ba fitole wuri dika ngol man tala si ko don ngol ko Gambia nyato ka kenola mi se Gambia mara Gambia da haso Gambia fonso par mo fulu mi alon ko ite ko kala no mole ibe bol dundira no gol iden manya o ka pul fo mi alon ka maso ka mol telindiro nyato ko mi ka telindiro o man ke nyato ka ken nyato ko you should have quality and good leadership and you work for your country mol lafta la wala Cairo tenko Cairo sabat Gambia is a peaceful country before Barrow comes. Daura was a human rights champion in the whole world. Daura was akata marcheto akapanya muta akata marcheto atol mo kalamuta akata fajara golf course aka golf ke mo buka kanta nko tol lafta Gambia mu be nyami nu na banko sewonya par ibe mol fala lu tawol bi jang ibe drofol pasta paro manyana jarna moy quartier si pot pombi yadi tokisol lu wol kulu wol ka du di jang bulol kanana haboto dulo kolbe duna Mbao control seaport should be controlled. Seaport punya dekel Gambia kan. But masa kuna mi mambar. Ke barkan kaya tada owa. Borom na last hope. Ay dula be wa. Gambia dungo Gambia di quartier di Barole mu Gambia tawon. Baro man kati. Amanyana mo manyale quartier di la mo manyale kati. Ka to fam ko president. A to fam ka for president. Mo mu dudu na ya Gambia no. Gambia Dumol Neta Wakila Nyola. We work together as one. We kick out Barrow and his entire criminal gang. And all of them are economic prostitutes, satisfied thieves. Ibe Musuon. Our entire institution. Ibe, all of them are criminals. We all know that.
Okay. Comme il a commencé à faire ko like nale mole ke mili alan ko ali aklem le ko wollem ni mol mili alan ko imanke Gambia nolti ID card be bulo ko abe nyapile kanne ali ID card
ID card
register so altol ba proof no la ko nyaadi le ko ni de ana Gambia
ni te bakaw lunta be lay no to bita ramu lunta neje lay no be nyapile kan wa ne lone cornal kolo ika sodo Gambia du won ka fodo ko anyimbi ti tuyo asono ana mam na adata kulun ke ID card o dia ke register dia anta fola na ke kan bako ko don kawre imanke banko duoti buka mare ke fonko ni bulun tawon ina te fon fen to dia mo muy harde ba banko e kayto imanya ne da ani banko election ida to
finally that kanim be bulala mune ke la kuma la bonti Fahaf Yamarlo Fondikoli.
Fondikel Albarkante Abula Gambia Fondikel Al Finti Bakuduo Bakudinkello Ikalo e Bankoe Fondikel e Finti Yani Mbako Kanda Bitola Bina Gambia Mara Yelo Ntolbe Komale Ntolke Balman Sila Dami Sako Fondikel Nja lakara koma sate tiye Jahana ba ariyabe do ni mo fate ibuka fo na ko len Ntolke Sila Baro min ne ma ke fent am mo mi ka te kalaja ama kalija tara kal Senegal akadu dara ndako ndol kabir me campaign Gambia kono in 1996 Gambia kan tele mu da baro ne ma mu daja anene to fo mo for radio fo wodo ni ko silaga wodo dama ka Gambia din kan jabu Gambia dingul la saro pirle anu mele ba ko di fella in anyhow gaje ko Gambia Cairo solo ay tanko solo Gambia fon solo woli e fon me kala sifa be kala pour baro malla fi fa alo baro man jare ay ke fen di bako ba mo mi man Gambia do sula amam Gambia hat ko to Gambia manyana il faut faire la baro mini ke fon fa baro e ibe mo kuru ina be kili
Abaraka bake.
Ala ese baby. Ita fon sene baby yang hadabo. Senda wala manyori wo. Wala mu teti.
Okay. Isa ko no mune akuba yani pour yena nan pour kana impresso ka aten.
Mani pour kana ni aten. Ndew banko dingol. Anu na dingol la wulu. Ebe nyum banko kan. Banko dingol la munti. Na tale ni ku ya min bedda na tolo etel be jam. Ni ku ya be mo dale de. Ni ku ya be mo dale bake. Basin ton. Kalau mu so bin to mu fondinkel ya na banko manyan to na banko manyan to mata ni ID card ko nyina ni ID card ko ni banko di wala takata ka ID card to banko di wala kabata ko ID card banko di wala kabata ko so ka ID card ID card jadi mbita Senegal nana ID card pour ka renew ani sena ID card be je sako lokul sabala bay am gata tuba les passer no lo jode ce kebe saba misalon ko khole ya itela banko ID card man soto ikata banko ko tento ko ikata ID card DJ wo be ke no la nyaadi yalo ni toro wartale de woni toro wara bake banko dul ma ID card so de kata banko doliya kata ID card ani kuya wara batala billah wallahi kala tafi ala fa ada baro diam janu banku dingol be diamu ana fi banku dingol be diamu le de ni kuya mu wolti banko kata nyame man tan ta kaw
so te mu yamar se un pola fonni jole especially musol mu yamar se un pola musol
andalo musol de dole min kelen tol yo lanni ni ko president sindo musol ka president sindo bani ala yake 2026 so man jam fa musol be le do ko kala do ko be sani ala 7 ni ala son bari ba ko fodin kel mil wasiri so ko ena finti yena na yele nyanto kele fondin kele finti be fondin kele do ko la jang wuru nimba go falinta bagwe fisiya bagwe kana soto banko di wala tamina fondin kele la tamina wek bar fondin kele wasiri so ko na fo fondin kele fintina yenana banko do ko be won
barka baga une de
me yante bula jawolom komi kumo nyi ndemuru la kan doro ni kuya because na banko kam iko kodol je no ni komi kodol ka ke fam wo ani kuya bo ka bay baloba ndeme mbelorinte kari sey kabirin lasi ya December lo ngana ID card le nga soto ni August bari janni ngana ID card soto ntatale ni ko nyena nyin loku ngo nimbita ka wolo ku $300 simpole jo tax nimbita ka $300 ni ntate ko nyera ID card ma ngole jabante ke fom batata ngam fonyondi biri ngam fonyon nata wuli ko tay ntata je biri ntata dinata anoda formal dare ko na ID card tinyata masin lo ko bari sa indalom ID card tinyata masin ko no for how many months ID card me kadi banku do mola wala ID card bakatinya masin ko ko be nyaade o dia mo siata lale ID card banku dol bi jambe batade ID card ma ID card so tan kajal ko ID card di banku din dolla o man beteya Gambia no letati mbele denta Gambia la tonya manin ko denta kula ba tekitije Gambia ali nga Cairo sabati Cairo ngente na banko kante la banko man fello na manke Cairo le oto be masakunda dan le Cairo jidi mo la banko kan ne dani biri be sila sita Cairo la kono oto nin kube kala tuma do bi sama mo mala membe kala barasi ka Cairo ko oto be masakunda dan la Cairo la ye mo la ID card ya stop e kadi banko dingo do mola because pinin tabita Senegal ni manna ID card sama originalo mbele c'est passé le because na photocopy baka use baka dundi machine ko ika original dundi machine ko say ni mo originalo samba mo ID card so est ce que l'intérêt Sénégal nte passo le jola laissez passer le kuntula so ko kala Sénégal mba kala Guinée Bissau so na banko ka ID card me yalon ko hanen tada bank nanta ko do bonde ko nyoko tela ID card kaman mo ID card so don fa la banko dingo molu bulo ko nimmel be denta banko nimmel be mu banko dingo yalla o diamo siata oto ngedani na ID card yadi na banko dingol la ye wadi la banko do dingol la nteleta mon na ID card ya ke ala ye mon la ID card di mon la abaraka bak
thank you so much
Gambia be kontona hasbunallah tawakkaltu ala Allah la hawla wala quwwata illa billah Gambia re mu oriya yere lekki sere sugani ke jamane re menga annatu nanti right nyana ngen kamara ke jamane de agabo arogo umma ka to sakka bare mure umma ka to bambini awa bare mure sometimes so to umanari ko mbugo honne wona koyi atiran tai iran tai inta mo ko toyi inta arabaro Kenya kono har Kenya wota dangani li annan dangi oda bamboda hasa oda ta hunde ke place ya lahidu be oda gada ko Kenya ni sino sikia sino ntikinga tinto o gidi senda nyaga ndenya hibe ganya wolim polla kelle menga kengana his excellency waiting president ngalo ya dabo nantona to kono ani sino nkara bitimman gelli agana ni mo gonga awa sariya be ga jamane ke Kenya ni sino tammi ona warana dangi no aga Kenya sino ntikinga ara jamane lemu right ko ndi ada suro medi ado ya gundi kenyani otada ngani sino nkaraginga kinye anna dingira ke waranga talla nta yanta mu hotwaye amma kara angana hay ibe ganati ni ngero akenga place be kenga nya president place nga angana hara kon nantini am malay kira rabara su yanka class bari ngani o su yanka ran ko bi bare gani donc o makara karangana mpin ponya ni ke place bi hay kenanti serena lingi da kundu kembe o ya ga ndum tenya ni tani o ga wuro ga da kemutu na roke dingira akota angana harmare mengindi duniya no gono hui angara roke dingira akota awaganye ne ke jamane yo goda da sarti munya ko oda sarti nyako jamane le munda ngani ariada kembo non sino nkaraginga timme ogata angiri ona sereta na warano hube galla jamane ndigere ogada masibo do tampiebe wari sino ku karagi no gondi gambia sikero sasana kanga ubada ma ami wal yo ken no gondi ari baro maga na hero nchagundi na sembe nchagundi kendi nanti ke danginia adi hero ndambe chwa sagundi ken no gondi bo ko ti huntenge asuwatu sere so lante qur'an lagana nanti aga ke tawra be ko ti hunten nyanda sabu yere sere su ando alla na ganna qur'an mutanna annan kune ke ngaba angana rin ke kitendi ngawu ngaku problem dai alla da gambian ko ntanga mo be asuwatu buma ga yankay nyani sere bani gana digamu ujune sere wandi kan kanne lagana oda me sabare ni kunu nyo digamu me dangani nanti corona wara dunia saria bega dunia sui equals sui Africa Union Kenya ni sino taminga ona wara gana kinye kenga gedange ana place ke wara harsa jamane lemme sere suanga sahube pati suga la isika igi pati suga sahu serebe okay ora osoro ndangindi ora ko chempita ibe gana ganye alingi beda malingi beda ona Allah raga kenka makata sino kala oge mukia oga bako be seda oga kata kenchino tamindia pura kennan cembe honkaranga ay menci television nanti dangina lenki dangina yakuma okay diga be gam bononta suya gam burunta sui silami lemme mu'minin ganta sikina kenko kenya ni kay nanti wolim polla lemme waiting president Hussein Mutulalo adabo ma kenga na karai ke kana daga kembale ida confirm nanti sasa ke haga kara idi kitenya kama kenga gati kena ke place wara oto kenda ko nanti awa letra nyana kendo Allah na kenda ko akenka na hawu nyanya kanai nanti Hussein hinan kala ma kenga da time ngita nan katu tawene kemba de ranga kenda ko na hawu nyanya kana hara kenya ko yire oda Allah galle mu go ma galle mu har so do baru mu do rakini Allah kendi mo so sabari kenga mo munyi kenga ma kenda ngi halle aministanu ngari ni nan diga mutane nenga sidi njay gara hibe ko ke jamane di wallahi gambia re me munyi ndo sabari yem palle duna suwa bakka seda na ko kundu television ndi kempe o ka bako be seda gadi angana kawana nanti kuto nga wurno kana nyama awara yanjo okay mbalu ngara kebe nya kubito o suda wari o suda terinka yo donc ora kya nyaga maga andu ko tananya Allah dangani sim fatam fantie ana kembo go khibare no ni gambia ta ken to mala kenga sere suga di lengi angana calculer anda kabila ke hillo sikko na gato donc anke le kelle menyo nke mama ya gare angana hayni hulle nyanda ke intara mama ya gare awa ngeni so ni ngenye mbaba ni so ni ngenye asare so ni ngonya da woro so ni ngonya da pe so ni ngonya ngebe gani so ni ngendo malingendo hulle jwa ga mbani maga so ni kalle menta duna da ngati anda ko nya so ni ka hunda ngani donc nan foti nge hadida to no na ko ngama kebe muguketa ngama kebe tu so ni ka hunda kebe so ni ngena hoyi malingera nda sikinge karangale nganga miji menkata tange ngingero malinga ukana kuange ni malingene anga fofo tuno anga ko kitano woni ngeda me tamunya kita nda me kamenya kita donc hulle nga disembi kabila kutte kesu na meda ngani kundume yo woto kenga kebe di adama nanda ko nandira nda da akapabuli ntimaga isa undenga serebe ni gide mana na dinge ara kuntoro raga di sembendi ati sasa ikera wai mobili ngani kema ga breaking tai yo tongu na mobili ngurundi adon lawai mobili da kunna latu mede sergabe wa mobili ngurundi la mobili ndengene kenda rawai mobili ndanga tinta bana bo serbe ga lawai mobili ndangani serbe ga mobili masibontu anga kebe di lengi ada halle anga kebe to anga kendu woto anta warono mobili ndi breki ganta mobili bi seresu anke ngana tu nanti konti mbogande nyana lagara antarono mobili di breki ganta kebe sangana ro mobile di break anta kebe de ko kana taka hibe nyana Allah bana na akagara ho nyanda girna kan nyama yo agada ho nya anda kengirni ken kan nyama an karo no tayya tinega ya lono tayya tinega ntariga anken kamal lono tinga so kundiga mu corona kunteri gato haklenga siri woto Kenya ni Allah taala nduwendi oda kempanni kay sinon tammi oda nyaga Allah maga oda nyaga Gambia ko maga kempaga kine ya ganati dangini horose nya sinon tammi Allah ga kebe to kenga si Allah tunga honna jirenya agara hisa ko ni mo alinga da maliga ndangani anna wala ro Kenya a Gambia ko corona mera ga onya sare habi o kuni sare habe jamalle mun toro jono kuy ko daga dunanu hono go ku jaman goro soro Allah na mera mukendo mera gemenya rono dina ga ina sagoyi ino wuti no dangi di kale angara ga terra ken no sudambe ikawante ngo hakle ngai ikawante ngo okinga odo duma yang kandida o ka sagunde ngi o kawante ngi Kenya njiti ka Gambia ga sigira be lenga ma sigo tembe ko kurambe ga ni lengi leer nu mani me lengi gelli wurondi merembane kuran to ma ke area mu manjudi makine Gambia kara kutunga ko ga diga mu yere bakaw area ke do awa ke odan ke parti mu manju kuran to ma ke jamal lembu cine jamanu yogon de be nyere de be baane jamanu de be nyani yere ki jamal lembu cine kuran be gani kuran ko hay wuru ke nyo kontai agarara wada gana wari na wasoro firjunu ngoy nguini awasoro lampa ya nguini awasoro karu nguini inari ti sembe ngai na yankandi okora sino mani me akenta ga sino tammi na burebe ga yanka ira ken nyimna ngira sigati na burebe ga yanka Gambia ire hari kunu be ko gunendi ati ni gallen kitana yigena kunna buruwa na buru ku barunya kammo ambuguri na ko no ngani agara rondi no be ba ndati ni makita ari hokita hibe ga ko to ken na burebe ahadlenga karo minne andalla na karo minne ke kille be ha kamma ku sileke ali haram bayden sileke ali haram bay an kam bayden ira Allah hirono ire sasa angi lira ndaga na malagara annan tourne no ngel kemba landa lanka nyaare mu je kili lamu be no hakeni iganda ku kili lamu menu dabari odo kanu kuna ga ngayime toranta kendi Allah wa yankara kiti be meke kamma an kanga no usura nan wulna daga nan kinye no ngani an ka turo nan kan no honi tampie do nyani be ga ke tampie jamana diere aswa kuruti silencinga aswa kuruti mojia wakati nan kinye ta Allah gara dunge wakati ke gaw kinira wosu nyinero arno su yom kim kutu katay na harahundi sire nyago dangani no sabon tago dangani jamana ke o kheri ngani kebe arna ken tago do kheri ko kamudunke arna tago dangani o kheri arna ken tago dangani yuddi pima ta kundan ko yewu sun dalo ya dabo na ken yo dangani pima do ngake jamana no woni sino sikki jamana ke su kitindro mu tinyi wa kutunu iwati ni manigani woni manigani mando raga manigan kinyoyi okay ora kencara Allah o to daga kuni diga manan nan gaba o wasika gara ngani re awa Gambia ko kyani ketanta sabare no munye da hasa assalamu alaikum baraka ba hajidan
mbadi min fonni ke do fanan bijan isa ko mo to jumal di folo
Ntemu Mahmoud Jatalati, National Youth Wing at the Organizing Secretary, National Youth Wing for UDP.
Isa ko no mole mune CJMB.
Me and CJMB is clear to the whole country. It's regards to the issuance of the ID cards in the foreign land, which we are saying no to it as the citizens of this country. We are citizens. So if definitely the president of this country, Adama Barrow, have a right, we also have a right as a citizen. So this is exactly that we are exercising our constitutional right as a citizens to protest. We all know what is happening is not right. The issuance of ID cards in the foreign land, no government does this. Adama Barrow is the first government to do this. To issue our national identity cards in the foreign land is not done, and we are saying no to it as young people of the UDP. I'm the organizing secretary today of this great party. Personally speaking to you today, na ID card applied just to have a passport, but I couldn't have it. It's coming to 2 months. I couldn't have my passport and my ID card. So that is, we say no to it as the citizens of this country, and as young people of this country, we say no to it. And Adama Barrow, as a president, must stop this. This is unlawful. We are telling you, Mr. President, this is unlawful. You have to stop it. You have no legal grounds to register people on a foreign land. It's not done, and you must stop it. It's not done. You must stop it. You have your people here in this country. They couldn't have an ID card. The reason why they couldn't have the ID card because all the immigrations were deployed in the foreign land. We know about it. We have information about it. So as young people of this mighty party called the UDP, we are telling you to stop it, and you must stop it. And this will not be the last one that we will come to speak to protest against this. We must stop it. You must stop it as a president and as a government. We know why you are doing this. It's fishy. We are going to polls next year, so we know why you are registering people outside. But that will not work for you, Mr. President. That will not work for you. What you have done the last elections, this one, that will not work for you, inshallah, by the grace of Almighty. So we are calling you, the managing director of immigrations. We are calling on you, Mr. Mboub, and your team. Withdraw all those officials that you deployed in a foreign land issuance of ID card. Withdraw them, please. You have no right. You have no right, Mr. Mboub, to deploy people on a foreign land. You have no right to do that. Gambians are sitting in their country. We couldn't have an ID card. And then this is the reason why we couldn't have our ID cards, because all our officials were deployed in a foreign land. So please, Mr. Mboub, we are calling on you as a citizen of this country, as a genuine citizen of this country, which is the Gambia. Please, withdraw all our officials that you deployed in a foreign land. You shouldn't have done this. If you know the ethics of your job, Mr. Mboub, you shouldn't have done this. It's not right. And this is illegal. It's illegal, it's not right. So we are calling on you, Mr. Mboub, please withdraw all your officials that you employed, that you deployed on a foreign land to issue our ID cards. We don't want it. As a citizens, please withdraw your men that you deployed in a foreign land. And then, to be honest, we are calling on Adama Barrow government. To be honest, Gambians will never sit and see you doing this. Gambians will never sit back and see you doing this. We must protest again and again.
Finally, the turnout. What do you think the turnout is a bit low? Is it that Alma moja makalamutan dalabang padu sensitasi moja amanke is a bit low? Are you disappointed?
Well, I'm not disappointed because the reason why I'm not disappointed because people are still coming, as you can see. People are still coming both left and right. So before exactly 12 o'clock here will be full, inshallah, I'm sure. So I'm not disappointed. People are coming. So this shows that Gambians really love their country. And then if Adama Barrow and his government are doing this, please, Mr. President, with all due respect, stop issuing our national ID cards in the foreign land. It's not done, and it is illegal. It is definitely illegal. We are not going to accept this. As a citizen of this country, we must not accept it. And then this is not only UDP's fight. This is not only, I'm calling on all Gambians, please, come out with the large numbers and protest. This is not a UDP fight. This is a Gambian fight. Barrow and his governments are registering, foreigners outside of this country. And we know the law doesn't permit the government to do this. So we are calling on all Gambians, please. All Gambians to come and join us and protest about this. This is not done, and then it must stop. Because, the young people, we must not sit and see Barrow destroying our country for us. No, we will not going to do that. And then if Barrow has to do it, we'll push it back, inshallah. So, what I have for young people sitting down there, please come out with your large numbers and then protest with us. This is not only a UDP fight. This is a national, interest. And then, to be honest, it is alarming because what Barrow is doing, to be honestly speaking, this is something that has never happened in this country. Registering people outside of this country, giving them our national document. So this is a catastrophe. We don't know. It's a catastrophe. We all know the election is fast approaching. We all know. So the reason why he's doing this, we know about it, and then we must call you as a president and as a government please stop issuing, our national ID card outside of this country. It is illegal and then it is unlawful. So if you are hearing me, Barrow, and your government, please, we will not shy away from telling you the truth, Mr. President, because we are Gambians and we are citizens. You are also a Gambian, you are also a citizen. So we will not shy away telling you the truth. This is what you are doing to us is not done, and then it is not illegal. So we are calling you, Mr. President, and your government, and then we are also calling Mr. Mboub, the boss for the immigration. Please withdraw your mains in a foreign land. They have no right, they have no legal backing, to register people outside of this country. They have no legal backing. So we are telling you, Mr. Mboub, please withdraw your people, please withdraw your mains. We must not sit back as a citizen of this country. You are destroying this country for us. You know your ethics very well. So please, your ethics didn't give you to register people outside of this country. So I thank you all media for coming.
Thank you.
Okay, auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Na banku di nyanto wala fintindi nan jandi. Ndel bu fonding ke wala di ndel na banko ko slodi. Ngaje kule ke na banko ga mu yarango akule mu yarango kule mu yarango amanya fadi amanya fa soma. Munga na banko din kaitoti national ID card ba kay national ID card. Ngaje ko banko dul bi jamul yang koy ma soto. Da filan sinol man soto ID card man soto. Ida finde ko gara banko bonto le kata ID card sika di mola. Mu yarango they are not even on the ECOWAS countries. Aku jalo wata de aku ni tay amanka tamo fatay mo mu yaron ko election is just at the doorstep e ko gida ID card se kari country mu yaron ko they are not even part of ECOWAS countries. So ngaje ko kula mu yaron ko mallala di mallala soma and kula mu yaron ko those days are over wadol bantale ganda ni ko niema ajala ko kuma kan keljanti amu ko ndal ni tila don si bolen ko never again we mean the word never again ada kala ndel la fon teroka pa ni bebe pagla yeta si ndel fon ni ko sandel le bankota Senegal yo ke bi Senegal alhamdulillah ko jama fon da Senegal bi ye banku di yasoto ndel mu men banko ka njang man banku di yasoto man na nyanto soto ada kala bi ada kala soma. So wala bi wulta nan kaji ga duniya la ko be kena amon kontali bi amon kontali so adum man suwala so wala na findi dari bi kon ni ko findi nan adum man findi wala siyada muy manna amon ko wala na bal mo be sirim be patu kan election wala badum kon be mo banda ani dal mo fula findi la man ya duniya ko bes we are not in for this. So da wala bi findi nan ay isin be ya wala government comes and go. But banko ni ke stele. Ado ko immigration director general mba fala ko ya jambele atatale to gande biya alon ko baro fana bitarale ade ndanna bitara janni na ya keku afambulu na ma keku afambulu alon ko banko mo kilingala banko di siol be den dajanna be jiri njam ba kilim fa kilim be kayro ko bi mol mu kanen kuma kan sifal moy bi la mol ko moy so ko ni mun ka wulin ka wu sika ganya molon ganje ba kilim fa kili yalo lo mon ni fulol ga futule ni jola ga futule ni monja ko ga futule bi daga sika futule ko ay si banko te fu be man sa president floti ndaw president floti police no nene ma may bango ko jang abin tenga ma le fakum bola fam man ne banko la so ko ni piya wata so long ko
thank you so much
no brother
yes na mo repre man
de alhamdulillah rabbil alamin ka like le fa journalist le interview every protest ka attend but I feel shy sometimes pour kata crowd kono thing but today afenda je dal banko ka même man nyafa kamola banko la kaito bondi all the way from African country to the eastern part of Africa. Is that correct? Oman nyamboy ID card ro fa be jan to fa do la ID card ro fa filtale data filtale to renew it push and pull bem fin stop la
ba fa le ko ama findi follow akete ten mo buga me understand adoni ajibe when it is 100%, 75% of Gambian they need ID card. They don't have it. Ida kada banku juma fa be dunia fa kono. Ina na de banku juma fa ko dunia balu fa kono. Ika ID card to ikata itika bolo banku ke kata banku kote ko kay ila din ngol ika ID card to ni wolle. Oh na bro that it doesn't make sense man. You know? Ntenga je ko disrespect all them, you know, gameno la disrespect. Ntenga je ko disrespect all them, you know. Alu nganta bolale. So Adam Barrow memem fulay dara in 2026 is do or die, but Adam Barrow will not go for that term. Yeah, we are ready and we are selling our life for that. The life na landi le tabuloka. So we are at the graveyard to bury us. Come bury the world. Ya cover dead or alive. Dol kambade world to nyeji. Adam Barrow amanta that term la. Okay? You don't over stressing. The amount of family and you come back for that. It's not nice. Okay? Abro, thank you so much. Yeah, I respect media, you know, but kuma do benda man na kafula, you know. Mbe jam men na dalilo men na si jambi ya. Wala mu nyimte ko ID card men na lon koy badi kam mo labantala num tangol la. Ka electiono sunya mantara sonna wala bi mantara sonna la sama. Adama Barrow nyanta fan jam fan dila ko wala men ya lon ko former president ya jamba ka wolle ke jang. Delle na den tanga kelo ke jang. Ako mole ko Gambia dingol sain president na la jang mengalon ka be jutulal la yenna ko momole bari bi ate bo system kilima bole tamandi kan Gambia dingol ka wobe keno la nyaadi le jomale be sonna wala dunia kabirin dunia ba wuli ne o jemin tole andu be dibite fanal command la because ibe nyim membe to be tapale ya ko le do ni sok sitani West Africa jang ibe na la dibite bu ngol la jay ya fo mole ko ha saimbe sonnale men be bantale karto fay ya fo ko sa European men wol data tarlaje wote kala so hanna dre simple majority lam dibite wol mume mo kanata dibite bu ngala mo ni Adam Barrow man affaire soto nyora mbe lafiri men na wala nyinti ko banko ni kufula wala be jeto ay mo la banko say bu nyani ngoro mo kono na la manda fula jang banta ay ta malla fi diam jama ko wala jam because munem banko ni molbe tolani ne bata be kelne inya ben temen na ten temu masongol tin kam mo tala moment halbi somanda moment na tan na do kula da siyata mo nan ti jannin ka futa ja nan na do ko le bulan ko do kula le do ko ken te katala because banko la ko le ente sija barin kaje le moment kana do be je hanni lafta tala ka fu ma koy $50 so pour nga da sama o masibolidi mo man nyen na kala nyim banko ndi mo yalon ko 30 kilometer ma kono fango ha banko nafuloɓe jang min men ko moye fente jang mbe ñonene wala nafuloɓe le jang bari men be jang ñi ñaton kol suñaro say yole ke itati idalta suñaro la ka banko la sango be kasara ibe bunjangol lola ibe tala ibe nala banko fondinkewol man do kusol yanna ko momoy so kuwoɓe damento mengantel sijang wala mu ñimti ko yaada bula ye fata ka idi kato di luntangol andum be luntangol mbe won la billahi wallahi tala nte ha sanji tan mbe Gambia bantala mbe yaay kan mbe jinin dilola yenna ko momel nena be mar soto le noa soto la mar soto billahi wallahi taala ha njita ka domo ka nduka ke ha police le mutaye murundi na roso because of ko man alliance le so yenna ko momel so membe je anin kana nyonene momo yalon ko man te banko di fi kana karto fayja andi ma fara Gambia di mo be tuwa anin na longa standby election ni nga lunta je billahi wallahi fere kuta je muslime ya kuta je kayra kuda ta je ite men nyan tam bole kelayda isinis yenna ko momel ala barka ba ke ngamol tentu ngal je ala barka